The goal with this activity is to really work on your upper body deceleration capabilities. It's also a useful drill if you have a difficult time keeping the kettlebell close to your body on the descent of the snatch. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start with an overhead press position. Make sure you exhale as you press the weight up. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a flick of the wrist. So when I flick it, it's almost like I'm shooting a basketball like this. That's gonna drop the bell down. And then you wanna think about pulling the bell close to the body and finishing in this position right here. Then you're gonna rinse and repeat. If you're trying to do a lot of reps of this to work on the descent, you can always cheat it up by using two hands. So here, exhale, press, flick of the wrist, catch. Flick of the wrist, catch. Flick of the wrist, catch. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.